Hi students, my name is Veni and I am going to handle chapter 3 data handling from your maths. Okay, so data handling chapter 3. This chapter is a very interesting chapter and it is a very easy chapter for you. Okay, so in this chapter you are going to study how to organize data, how to find out mean, median, mode, etc. And there is some graph in this chapter which will be very interesting for you. So let's start the chapter. So first thing I am going to tell you what is data. What is data? Data is a set of information. That is when a test paper is conducted in your class or any exam is conducted, we will take a data of students' name and also their marks. Is it? The exam conducted on a number marks. That is, for example, exam is conducted in maths, and what will you do? You will write the names of students. We will write the names of students and also marks obtained. Okay, so when this data is organized in a proper way, the data should be organized in a proper way, it is called as information. For example, when you write the data, marks of the students like this 25, 26, 40, 48, 50 like that, this data is not properly arranged. But when you write it in column, when you write name of student, then when you write class, then you will write the marks. That is organized. The name of student, let the name of student be Alina. We will write class 7. Then we will write the marks as 25. And here we can also write the marks, total marks. If I write the mark, we will write 30. When you are arranging like that, it is very easy for you to find out the details. And this, when data are arranged properly, it is called as information. Okay? And next thing is data handling. What is data handling? Data handling is how we are processing a data or how we are writing a data in a proper way so that it will be easy for you. It can be read by ആരാണോ data എഴുതുന്നത് അവരെ അല്ലാതെ വേറെ second personും ആ ഒരു data കണ്ടാൽ you can easily understand. That is called as data handling. We can handle the data in different ways by finding the mean, median, mode, etc. which we will be dealing in this chapter. Okay, that is, now hope you understood what is data handling. Okay. Next thing is we have to study, there are two types of data. First data is called as primary data. Primary data, and the second one is called as secondary data. Primary data and secondary data. Primary data is when you collect information or data from directly from a source. That is, directly from a source means number data collect ചെയ്യുമ്പോഴത്തേക്കും, for in case I want to find the information or I want to collect data of height of students in 6A or 7A, I will directly go to the students, take the height and collect the data. Such data is called as primary data. Secondary data means I will take the records, that is already height എടുത്തു വെച്ചതിന്റെ records എടുക്കുക from some books, record books, or if I want to collect data about anything from Google, that is also called secondary data. We are not directly collecting from the source but depending on some other source, that is Google, newspaper, then books, etc. They are called as secondary data. So there are two types of data. Primary data, it is directly collecting from the source. Secondary data, we are collecting from newspaper, books, etc. So hope you understood it. Data, and this data it is also called as observation. That is, marks of the students here 26, 29, 40, etc. are the marks of the students, and this is called as data, or they are also called as observation. Hope it is clear for you. So we have learned what is data, data handling. There are two types of data, primary data and secondary data. Data is also called as observation. Okay, so now we will move to the topic, and now we will go to the topic how to handle a data in different ways. Let's move. Okay. Okay, children. So what is data handling? It can be also said it is organizing data. Organizing data. So I am going to show you how to organize a data or how to handle a data in one way. So this is one way to handle a data, that is we are making a table. For example, a data of students is given, that is marks of students out of 10 is given. Marks of students. So I am going to write the marks of students 5, 6, 9, 8, 5, 6, 8, 10, 9 and 4. These are the marks of students obtained. So what we have to do, we are going to add the data or organize data in the form of a table. So we are going to draw a table, and here we are going to write marks. In the second column we are going to write tally. I will explain what is tally for you. Then we are going to write frequency. Okay. So here we are first going to write the marks. Here marks we are arranging in ascending order. That is from the smaller number to the greater number. Here the smallest or the least mark obtained is 4 and the highest marks obtained is 10. So we are going to arrange it 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Like this we are going to write up from 4 to 10. Then we are going to write frequency means how many students obtained 4 marks. എത്ര പേർക്ക് 4 marks കിട്ടി നമ്മൾ നോക്കും. We are going to write that number here. Here how many students obtained 4 marks? Only one student obtained 4 marks. We are going to write the frequency as 1. Then we are going to write the tally as this. Tally mark എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ 1 എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ we will draw 1 line, 2 we will draw 2 line, for 3 we will draw 3 line, 4 we will draw 4 line and 5 we will cross cut it. 5 എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ cross cut ചെയ്യും. അല്ലാതെ 5 1 2 3 4 5 lines അല്ല പറയുന്നത്. This is wrong. So in the case of tally mark, what we will do? This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. When you cross cut it, this is 5. Now the 6 എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ this is 5. ഇനി ഒരു number one more line we will draw, that is 6. Next 7 we will draw one more line. So hope you understand what is tally mark. It is in the case of tally mark 1, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 means you will cross cut it. When you write tally and this is 5. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more line, this is 6. One more line, this is 7. Like that. Okay. So 5 എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോഴത്തേക്ക് നമ്മൾ cross cut ചെയ്യണം. Don't write one more line. Okay. So frequency here is 1 and tally mark we have wrote. Next number is 5. How many students scored 5 mark? 1 and 2. 2 students scored 5 mark. We will write the frequency as 2 and we will draw the tally mark as 1, 2. Okay. Then how many students scored 6 mark? 1, 2. 2 students again scored 6. So we will write the frequency as 2 and the tally mark 2. Then how many students scored 7? 7. Nobody has scored 0, so we will write a nil here. Then next is how many students have scored 8 marks? 8, 1, 2. Again 2 students, 2 tally mark. Next 9, how many students? Again 2. We will write 2 and draw the tally mark. 10, only 1 student, so we will write 1 and write the tally mark as 1. Okay, so this is one way to handle data, that is we will write the data, that is observation here, we will write the tally and the frequency. Frequency is how many times or the number of times ആണ് എത്ര പ്രാവശ്യം ഒരു data reoccur ചെയ്തു. ഇവിടെ ഇരിക്കുന്ന data എത്ര പ്രാവശ്യം occur ചെയ്തു. How many times the data has repeated. That is called as frequency. Okay, so hope this is clear for you. This is one way of handling data by tally marks and frequency. So tally mark, keep in mind this is called as tally marks. Okay, so what is frequency also keep in mind. So next we are going to learn about some terms: range, mean, median and mode. Okay. Okay, next topic is we are going to learn mean, median and mode. These are different ways of representing data. Okay, these are different ways of representing a set of data. So first one we will move to mean. So mean, it is also called as arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean, or it is also called as average. So mean is also called as arithmetic mean or average. So what is average of the data? Average എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് it is a central tendency എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. അതായത് when a group of 5, 9, 10, 11, 12, 16 is given, such a group of data is given, and arithmetic mean or average is the central tendency. ഏത് വാല്യൂവിന് ചുറ്റുമാണ് ഒരു set of data occur ചെയ്യുന്നത്. That is called as arithmetic mean. For example, average of the data or arithmetic mean or mean. There is an equation to find the mean, that is sum of all observations by number of observation. Sum of all observation by number of observation. So how will you find the mean? This is the equation to find the mean. Sum of all observation by number of observation. That is, we will take the sum of these observations. That is 5 plus 9 plus 10 plus 11 plus 12 plus 16. This is the sum of observation divided by number of observation. How many observations are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 by 6. Then we'll add this number, we'll get a number divided by 6. This answer is called as arithmetic mean or average or mean. So what is arithmetic mean? It is the average of a set of data. How will you find the mean? Sum of all observation by number of observation. We will take the sum of observation divided by number of observation. How many observation are there? Okay. So hope this is clear for you. Now we will move to an example. A small example. That is a set of observation is given for you. 6, 4, 3, 2, 9. This is the observation or the data given for you. You have to find the mean. So how will you find the mean? Mean is sum of all observation by number of observation. Sum of all observation by number of observation. So how will you find the sum of observation? You have to take the sum. 6 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 9. This is sum of observation divided by number of observation. How many observation are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Divided by 5. So take the sum of the observation, that is 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 3, 13. 13 plus 2, 15. And you have to find 15 plus 9. Okay. So like that you have to find the sum of observation and then find the average, that is divided by number of observation. Okay. Hope this is clear for you. Okay. 15 plus 9, it is 24. 24 divided by 5. You have to find out what is 24 divided by 5. 24 divided by 5. 5 4s are 20. 4. 8 5s are 40. That is, answer is 4.8. So mean or average mean of this set of observation is 4.8. So hope it is clear for you what is arithmetic mean or average mean. It is a central tendency. ഏത് വാല്യൂവിന് ചുറ്റുമാണ് ഈ set of data arrange ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത്. That is central tendency, or you can simply say it is the average of set of data. How will you find the mean? It is sum of all observation by number of observation. So mean is also called as arithmetic mean. Sum of all observation by number of observation. Next we will go to the second term, that is called as median. So what is median is, next thing we are going to learn. Median. So median. So median, from the word itself you will understand, median is the middlemost value. Median is the middlemost value of a set of data. A set of data vannittund adinathu middlemost nadukku varuna value, it is called as median. Median is called as the middlemost value, or it is called as mid value. Median is called as middlemost value or mid value. Example, a set of data is given for you: 2, 9, 8, 1, 3, 4, 5. Like this a set of data is given for you. So to find out the middlemost value, first step to find out the median or middlemost value, first step is you have to arrange in either ascending order or descending order. So what is the first step? Arrange in ascending or descending ascending order or descending order you have to arrange. So I will arrange this in ascending order, that is smaller to the greatest number. Here the smallest number is 1, next it is 2, next 3, next 4, then 5, then 8 and 9. So I have arranged it in the ascending order, that is smallest number to the greatest number. Then you have to find the middlemost value. Here the middlemost value is 4 is the middlemost value. Okay, here 3 ഉണ്ട്, ഇവിടെ 3 ഉണ്ട്. The middlemost value is 4. So the median is 4. So this is the very easy method. That is how to find the median. Median is the middlemost value. You have to either arrange it in ascending order and or descending order. Arrange in ascending order, ascending or descending arrange it. You have to find the middlemost value. You know how to find the middlemost value. Middle number കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാൻ എളുപ്പമാണ്. So divide exactly after same numbers വരണം. 3 3 വന്നു. So middlemost value is 4. So this is very easy for you. Next we will move to what is mode. Okay, so next thing we are going to learn is mode. So mode, it is called as the highest frequency. Highest frequency. So you have learned what is frequency. Frequency എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് number of times a data occur. എത്ര പ്രാവശ്യമാണ് ഒരു data repeat ചെയ്യുന്നത്, that is called as frequency. അപ്പോൾ അതിൽ നിന്നും highest എടുക്കണം. അതായത് ഒരു data എത്ര പ്രാവശ്യം, ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ പ്രാവശ്യം repeat ചെയ്യുന്ന data ആണ് mode എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. Okay, so when you do an example it will be clear for you. So it is the highest frequency or the greatest of the observation. Greatest of the observation. എത്ര പ്രാവശ്യമാണ് ഒരു നമ്പർ റിപ്പീറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഒരു ഡേറ്റ റിപ്പീറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ഫോർ എക്സാമ്പിൾ 2 8 7 6 8 8 6 5 8. So we have this is the observation or the data given for you. First thing is same like that of the mode, you can arrange it in ascending or descending order. So arranging ascending or descending order ചെയ്തില്ലെങ്കിലും കുഴപ്പമില്ല. This data I am not doing. So if you want you can arrange it in ascending or descending order. Then what you have to do is here observe 2 occurs for etra പ്രാവശ്യം 1 2 only for one time. Next 8 it's for 1 2 3 4 times. 7 only one time. 6 1 2 times. 8 I have already 6 5 one time. So if you are arranging it in ascending order you can write that is 2 is a smallest number, 2 ഒരു പ്രാവശ്യം. Next number is 4 it is not there. 5 one time, then 6 2 times, 7 one time, 8 1 2 3 4. If you are arranging like this ascending to descending order, that is from the smallest number to the greatest number, or in descending order it will be very easy for you. That is here one time 6 occur for 2 times, 7 one time and 8 for 4 times. So here which observation or which data occur for the maximum number of time or if more number of times occur the data ആണ് 8 ആണ്. So 8 is the mode. Okay, so this is called as highest frequency or the greatest number mode of observation. എത്ര പ്രാവശ്യമാണ് ഒരു observation repeat ചെയ്യുന്നത്, that is called as. So here 8 occurs for 4 times, so 8 is the mode. So these are the 3 representative values of data. That is how you can represent value: mean, median and mode. Mean is arithmetic mean. Equation is sum of the observation by number of observation. Median, it is the middlemost value, that is you have to arrange the data either in ascending or descending order and find the mid value, that is the median. Then mode, it is the highest frequency. Here also you can arrange in ascending or descending order and find out the highest frequency, or you have to find ഏത് observation ആണ് കൂടുതൽ പ്രാവശ്യം repeat ചെയ്യുന്നത്. Okay, so here mean, median and mode. In note I will give the definition. You have to study the definition of mean, median and mode. Okay, so now we move to the exercise question 3.1. Before moving to the exercise question, we will study one more term which is called as range. So range, it is the highest value minus the lowest value. Highest value minus lowest value. This is called as range. That is when a set of data is given 8 2 3 4 5 1. So here this is the observational data. here when you have to find the range, that is highest value h minus lowest value n. So this is called as range, highest value minus lowest value. So what is the highest value here? 8 is the highest value. 8 minus lowest value 2, 3, 4, 1. 1 is the lowest value and here the range is 7. Okay, this is very simple. Range is highest value minus lowest value of the observation. You have to take the highest value minus lowest value and the answer, that is called as range. Now we will go to the exercise question, exercise 3.1. So first question itself is to find out the range. Okay, so right, so those who have your textbook with you, take out your textbook and take out your rough book and do along with me. So if you are doing along with me, that means after this class you will be thorough with all these. Okay, and open ചെയ്തു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഈ ക്ലാസ് കഴിയുമ്പോഴത്തേക്കും medium mode എന്താണെന്നൊക്കെ thorough ആയിരിക്കും. So pause the video, go take out your rough book and take out your textbook. Okay students, go. So okay, we'll start the exercise. This is the first question for you. Find the range of the following observation. That is, height of students is given. You have to find the range. So what is range? Range is highest value minus the lowest value. Here observations are given for you. Height of the students is given. You have to find the range. Range is highest value minus lowest value. So here in this case it is the height. So that is maximum height, which is the maximum height of the students, minus minimum height by minimum height. Okay, maximum height divided by minimum height. From this you can find the maximum height of the students. So one way is you can either arrange in ascending order maximum minimum കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാം. Smallest to the greatest number എഴുതാം. So here I am finding out the maximum value from here. So maximum value is 120 centimeter. So 120 minus minimum value you can find out, that is 110 is the minimum value. 120 minus 110. So 120 minus 110 you can find out. So find 120 minus 110, it is 10 centimeter. So here the range is 10 centimeter. Either you can find out directly the maximum and minimum or the highest value and lowest value, or arrange it in ascending order. When you arrange it in ascending order, easily നമുക്ക് ഏതാണ് highest മേലത്തെ ആദ്യത്തെ അവസാനത്തെ നമ്പർ വെച്ച് easily കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാം and then find out the subtract it and find out. Here 10 centimeter is the range. Now we will move to the next question. Okay, so second question is, a set of data is given for you. You have to arrange this in tabular form. Tabular form will arrange. Tabular form is, I have told you that you have to arrange tally marks and also frequency. That is tabular form. Then question is given, which is the highest value, which is the lowest value, what is the range, and find the arithmetic mean. These are the four questions. Very easy question. So first thing is, we will arrange this in tabular form. How will you arrange it in tabular form? Draw a table. When you draw the table, draw with scale. Okay, take out your scale and draw it neatly. Then you have to write the data or observation. You can write here observation, then tally mark, then frequency. Like this you have to arrange. So when you write the observation, write from the smallest data. This 1 is the smallest data here and the greatest one is 9. So write the number from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Like this you are arranging. Then put the tally mark and frequency. So tally mark is 1. Frequency is the tally mark. 1, it occurs for how many times? Look that 1 it occurs for only 1 time. So frequency is 1. Tally mark you will draw is 1. Okay. Next one is 2. 2 it occurs for how many times? 1, 2. Yes, 2 times. Draw the tally mark 1, 2. Next thing is 3. 3 it occurs for 1, Yes, only one time. So 1, 4, 1, 2, 3 times. So 3 is the frequency of 4. Draw the tally mark 3. Next one is 5. 5 it occurs for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So be careful, frequency is 5. When you draw the tally mark, be careful. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is cross cut here. Okay. Next 6. 6 it occurs for 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is 4. Draw 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Next one is 7. 7 it occurs for 1, 2 times only. So it is 2, 1, 2. So next one is 8. 8 is occur for only one time. Frequency is 1 and draw the tally mark 1. 9 it occurs for only one time. So frequency is 1 and draw the tally mark as 1. So this is the way of representing data in tabular form, that is write the tally mark and the frequency. Next is you have to find the highest value, lowest value, range and arithmetic mean. So hope this is clear for you. Now we will move to the next question, that is the sub question from here. So the highest value of this data. So your tabular form is given in your notebook, then it is very easy for you to find the highest value and lowest value. So first question is highest value. Which is the highest value? Obviously 9 are the highest value. Second one, which is the lowest value? 1 is the lowest value. Third one, what to find out the range. Range is, so when you write, the question is given to you, find out the range, find out the mean, mode, etc. Write the equation also. Range is highest value minus lowest value. So highest value is 9 minus lowest value is 1. 9 minus 1 is 8. Next question is to find the arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean is sum of the observation by number of observation. You have to find the sum of the whole observation divided by the number of observation. So let's start. So to find out the sum of the observation, take out sum of each one. That is, mean is equal to sum of all observation by number of observation. Find out the sum. 4 plus 6 plus 7 plus 5 plus 3 plus 5 plus 4 plus 5 plus 2 plus 6 plus 2 plus 5 plus 1 plus 9 plus 6 plus 5 plus 8 plus 4 plus 6 plus 7 divided by how many observation count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 divided by 20. So you have to find out the sum of these observations divided by 20. Okay, find out the sum. So here 4 plus 6 plus 7 plus 5 plus 3 plus 5 plus 2, 10 plus 1. Here when you find out the sum of the observation, the answer is 100. 100 divided by 20. You can take the answer is 5. So mean is 5. Okay. So here we already table വരച്ചു വെച്ചിരിക്കുകയാണ്. Table വരച്ചു വെച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത്, it is easy to find the highest value, it is easy to find the lowest value, more easy to find the range. Then mean, instead of 4 plus 6 plus 7 plus അങ്ങനെ എഴുതുന്നതിന് പകരം already a table തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട് 1 എത്ര പ്രാവശ്യം നമുക്ക് എഴുതിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. So you can write 1 into 1 plus 2 എത്ര പ്രാവശ്യം, 2 into എത്ര പ്രാവശ്യം നമുക്ക് എഴുതാം, അങ്ങനെയും ചെയ്യാം. But instead of writing like that, either find out the sum and then divided by 2. Okay, so which one is easy for you, you can do that. But എല്ലാത്തിലും നമ്മൾ ടേബിൾ വരയ്ക്കത്തില്ല. So arithmetic mean direct ആയിട്ട് ചോദിച്ചാൽ take the sum divided by 2. Now we move to the third question. Okay, third question is find the mean of the first 5 whole numbers. So So what is whole numbers? Whole numbers means it starts from 0. So mean is equal to sum of all observation by number of observation. Sum of all observation by number of observation. So find out the sum of the first 5 whole number. Whole number will start from 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 4. Divided by number of observation is 5. So 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is 10. 10 divided by 5 is 2. So mean is 2. It was a very easy question. Now we move to the fourth question. Okay. Okay, next is fifth question for you. So the following shows the points of each player scored in 4 games. So 4 games A, B, C player scored in the games and you have to answer the following question. So when you look at the table, you can see A has played all the 4 games, B has also played all the 4 games, but C has not played the game 3. Okay, it is given they did not play. Okay, so first sub question given is find the mean to determine A's average number of points scored per game. So you have to find the mean of average whose play A the mean so that you can get the average points. So how to find the mean? So mean is sum of all observation by number of observation. Sum of all observation by number of observation. So you are going to find the sum of all observation. So player A, so that is game 1 he has scored 14 points. So 14 plus game 2 he has scored 16 plus 16 plus game 3 he has scored 10 points and the game 4 he has scored again 10 points and number of observation, that is number of plays 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by 4. So you have to add 14 plus 16 plus 10 plus 10, you will get 50. 50 divided by 4. When you do 50 divided by 4, you will get a point value, that is 12.5 is the mean of player A. Okay, hope this is clear for you. This is the mean. Second question is to find the mean number of points per game for C. Would you divide the total points by 3 or 4? Why? So 3 already he has not played the game 3. Game 3 kalichilla C എന്ന് പറയുന്ന player game 3 kalichilla. So to find the mean you have to divide it by 3 or 4. Number of observation. Second number of observation എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 3 ആയിരിക്കും അല്ലേ? He has not played. ഏത് പ്ലേ ആണ് കളിക്കാത്തത്? മൂന്നാമത്തെ പ്ലേ കളിച്ചിട്ടില്ല. So the number of observation you will divide it by 3. You will not divide it by 4 because the number of observation is 3. The player C has not played the game 3. Okay, hope it is clear for you. Now next one is third question is B played in all the 4 games. How would you find the mean? How will you find the mean? You will take the sum of the observation and divide it by number of observation. So sum of the observation is 0 plus 8 plus 6 plus 4. 0 plus 8 plus 6 plus 4 divided by number of observation is first of the 0 score 0 annullu 1 2 3 4. So 8 plus 6 plus 4 divided by 4 you have to take, and when you take the sum you will get is 0 plus 8 plus 6 plus 4 is 18 divided by 4. So 18 divided by 4 again you will get a point, that is 4.5. Okay, so mean is 4.5. Then the last question is who is the best performer? Who will be the best performer? Best performer analytic. So we have got the mean of the first performer is 12.5 and the second one is already രണ്ടാമത്തെ game നമ്മൾ കളിച്ചിട്ടില്ല, and you have not find the mean. Then ഇവിടെ 4.5 ആണ് mean കിട്ടിയിരിക്കുന്നത്. So you have to find the best performer. So how will you find the best performer? Now we move to the eighth question from your textbook, that is the rainfall in millimeter in a city on 7 days of certain weeks are given below in a table form. So first is you have to find the range of the rainfall in the above data. You have to find the range. How will you find the range? Highest value minus lowest value. Next you have to find the mean rainfall of the week. That is mean, you have to find the arithmetic mean, that is sum of the observation by number of observation. Third one, how many days we get the rainfall less than the mean. അതായത് നമ്മൾ മീൻ കണ്ടുപിടിച്ചിട്ട് you have to find ഏതൊക്കെ ദിവസം നമുക്ക് rainfall മീനിനെക്കാളും കുറവ് കിട്ടി. So first thing is you have to find the range. So range is highest value minus lowest value. Highest value minus lowest value. So here table is given, and in that Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday the rainfall in millimeter is given. Here the highest value, highest rainfall is on which day? Is on 20.5, is on Friday, that is 20.5. That is highest value is 20.5 minus lowest value, the range is on Monday. You see 0.0, there was no rainfall on Monday. So lowest value is 0.0. So hope you know how to divide minus this 20.0 minus 20.5 minus 0.0. There is nothing to subtract. What is the value? 20.5 itself is the. So you have to write the unit, that is millimeter is given. Decimal minus ചെയ്യാനൊക്കെ here you don't have anything because 0 തന്നെയാണ്. So 20.5 millimeter is the value. So don't forget to write the unit if the unit is given in question. Okay, so second one is, because here it is range value on 20.5 millimeter. So next one is you have to find the mean. So mean is sum of all observation by total number of observation. Total number of observation. So here sum of the observation is 0.0 plus 12.2 plus 2.1 plus 0.0 plus 20.5 plus 5.5 plus 1.0 by number of observation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 days is given. So you have to find the sum. So when you find the sum, you will get 12.2 plus 2.1 plus 20.5 plus 5.5 plus 1.0. Now we will get the answer as 41.3. So 41.3 divided by 7 is the number of observations. So 41.3 divided by 7, you will get 5.9 millimeter is the mean. Okay. Next question is, how many days is a rainfall less than the mean? So here the mean is 5.9. How many days the rainfall mean ne kaattum koravu vanna etra divasam undu? 5.9 is the arithmetic mean. So less than here Monday you got 0.0 less than, Wednesday 2.1 less than the mean, Thursday 0.0 less than, here 5.5 and 1.9. So all the one marked in green is less than the mean. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 days the rainfall was less than the mean. So this was an easy question. You have to just find the range, mean, and how many days the value was less than the mean. Now we'll move to the next question. Okay, so the 9th question in your textbook is the same question as such, so you will do it as homework. The question is, the height of 10 girls are measured in centimeter and the results are given. Okay, so the results are given, the data is given. What is the height of the tallest girl? Tallest girl height, how will you find out? The maximum height edana, that is the height of the tallest girl. What is the height of the shortest girl? That is the data which is having the minimum edana, shortest girl. What is the range of the data? How will you find the range of data? Highest value minus the lowest value. Then what is the mean height? How will you find the mean? You have to add the sum of observation by take the number of observation. Then the last one, how many girls have height more than the mean height? What is the mean value? You have to find the mean and you have to look how many have more than the mean. Average ne kaatlam mean ne kaatlam koodal varuna enna undu. So this is also a very easy question. So 9th question is a homework for you. So now I am stopping this class. So we'll meet in the next class with mode and median problems. So hope mean is clear for you. Work out the problem. keep in mind what is the equation. We have learned what is data, what is primary data, secondary data, range, mean, median and mode. Don't forget it. So till we meet in the next class, be safe at your home and work out your problems. Thank you.